As you are already aware, the county government of Nyamira has started a program of improving education in lower classes. We have two other programs. One, we are undertaking with the KMET, which is basically addressing mother and the child from conception to 3 years. And it has been proven elsewhere in other countries that if you address nutritional value on those kids, they will improve their retention powers. That's why we're coming up with the EIDU. We're going to teach kids in digital learning. They should get used to digital education. Mapema ni mzuri. Mapema ni nini? Ni sawa. Because the current world is moving so fast that without digital education, you cannot do anything. You cannot even move. And they will also be having data. They'll be keeping data for the learners. And with that data, we can use the data to see how the kids are improving in all spheres of life. That's why we are here, and we want to sign an MOU with these good friends of ours who have come to support Nyamira County. In the future, you may ask, what will happen with the other 2 or 4? Through budget allocation, county government will team with the EIDU so that we can be able to cover the other remaining learners from today and going forward.
Picking up 204 schools, and this means we will be providing digital learning in pre-primary schools, PP1 and PP2. So the total investment that EIDU is pumping into Nyamira County for the first 1 year is approximately 20 million. And through this, we'll be able to provide hardware devices, software, personalized trainings and monitoring, as well as the triary training books. So we will also train teachers. We have a program where we will train the program officers first, and then we will cascade the trainings down to around 408 teachers within the county. We target that this MOU and the program that we'll be offering to Nyamira County will help the county improve learning outcome, especially in numeracy and literacy. And this has been evident in our previous work that we've done with different counties. So we target that this will be an opportunity for the county to improve the learning in PP1 and PP2 and help the students improve in terms of numeracy and literacy. Another thing we know that the county will benefit on is we are going to empower the teachers with access to digital tools. This will include structured lesson plans, and will also provide real-time performance for the learners. So basically the teachers at a class level will be able to monitor how their learners perform, and will also provide assessment, AI personalized assessments that will be able to prompt the teachers to know if this learner is slow and if they need additional support. Then we also target to support the county leadership, especially the education department, which is our key stakeholder here, in terms of accessing real-time data. So we have a platform that provides real-time data. It's a metabase, and it will be able to help the county to access real-time data in terms of school performance, usage at the school level, the time of visits that that the program officers support. And then we also look forward to strengthen the education management systems, supporting by actionable data-driven reporting. And through this, we look forward to collaborating with the Department of Education in terms of data collection, and will be open to support them in advancing some of their tools into our platform to help in data collection. It's also important to mention that the EIDU program aligns with Kenya's priorities, and our program has been approved by KICD in terms of content and the rationalized curriculum development. We are also approved by ICT Authority, so we are soaking in terms of data sensitization and in terms of display of data. Then we are also approved by the Office of Data Protection Commissioner, so that to ensure that whatever we are running is successful. Then lastly, just to mention is that our content aligns with the rationalized curriculum-based competency. So, so today we are glad that Nyamira takes our 27th number in terms of the counties of operation, and we look forward to collaborating well with the county and see the impact that digital learning will bring to Nyamira County. So we will walk through this journey with the county in terms of implementation, tracking, just to ensure that the journey is successful. I'd like to mention that the devices that we are giving are not computers. They are phones, yeah. And as I had mentioned earlier on, we will conduct training. So we are not looking for IT experts in schools. We are going to leverage on the already existing teachers at the school. We will conduct a training with those teachers to give them fluency on how to engage with the devices. So basically, we are complementing what the normal education is providing, but we want to improve it in terms of mathematics and language. Thank you. And the purpose of us being here is to commit to an MOU that we've been having discussions around, or to see on how we are going to support Nyamira County in terms of supporting ECD centers with digital learning. So today we are here to put an effect into an MOU with the county government of Nyamira, and EIDU will be taking 50% of the schools in Nyamira for 1 year support. And during our support, we will offer devices, hardware, software, training, monitoring, and also they offer the NYARIBO books. So we will also have further engagements to track implementation of the project, which has been clearly outlined in the MOU. And through this, we target to meet 50% of the schools, which should be around 204 schools, and approximately 17,000 learners. We also understand that enrollment changes, so that is why we are not going to stick to the number, because we'll be open to see an increase in the enrollment. I want to be brief to give that as why we are here. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Kennedy Angwini, CC Member, Public Service Management.
Thank you, Your Excellency. My name is Bernard Maina, CC Member in charge of Trade, Tourism Industry and Cooperative.
Good morning. Your Excellency, my name is Dr. Donald Mogoy, CC Member for Health.
Your Excellency, members, my name is Richard Olinko, Chief Officer of the Department of Finance, Learning ICT.
Good morning, Your Excellency, I'm